This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Chris Garnin less than bedroom greater than BRE number 010139557, LIC number 005499928. Classy Victorian downtown, with 2 units. Walk to everything in Sonora. Upper level is charming 2 halves with formal dining, tall ceilings and beautiful hardwood floors. Woodstove and mini splits for HVAC. Lots of renovation here that preserve the character of the era. Lower level is 1 bedroom fully self-contained apartment perfect for in-law, guest qtrs or rental. Zoned R3. Great sun deck and garden in back. Lot goes street to street. This is one of a kind right now for downtown Sonora. Also refer to MLS number 20201161, multifamily. For more information, review the details below or contact Chris Garnin less than bedroom greater than BRE number 010139557, LIC number 005499928 at 209-768-2464.